Hey beautiful soul, first and foremost, congratulations on taking the time to watch this video. The very fact that you are here means you are truly committed to transform your life and unlock your full potential. You are on the path to become more intuitive genius and a master manifestor. And you can do that by using the beautiful meditations of the Silva Mind Control Method. In this video, I will walk you through everything that you are going to learn in the Silva Life and Intuition System training. First of all, by the time you complete the entire course, you will officially become a Silva graduate and you will get a certificate and international ID card. Plus, when you become a graduate, you will have a lifetime access to repeat this course with us anytime you wish. And also, you can repeat the same course with any other instructors all over the world, and there will be a very minimal repetition charge. So let's understand what you will learn in the entire course. The training will begin with filling out your goal sheet that you will receive once you register for the entire course. Now, as you progress through the course, you will witness that how remarkable improvements you will see in every aspect of your life that you will mention in the goal sheet. During the training, you will master in two main things: Silva Life System and Silva Intuition System. So let's understand now what you will learn in Silva Life System. In Silva Life System, you will basically learn to harness the power of your mind to overcome your daily life challenges and create a more beautiful and fulfilling life that you always dreamed of, and you deserve it. And in Silva Intuition System, you will learn to develop and sharpen your intuitive abilities, and you will learn to unlock the genius within you. So are you excited? This journey is going to be life-changing, and I can't wait for you to experience it. So let's dive in. In Silva Life System, you will first learn how to get relaxed, your mind and body completely. And you will learn it by using short relaxation. Short relaxation is the first technique that we teach you to go to the alpha level of mind, that is a more deeper level of mind. So just for an example, when you are listening to me, I'm talking to you guys, that means we are in a beta level of mind. Our brainwave frequency is oscillating very fast. And when you learn how to enter to this deeper level of mind or slowing down the brainwave frequency, you will be able to tap into the deeper level, that is the human intelligence level. Though you go to these levels every night when you are sleeping, but here in the Silva Method, in this beautiful dynamic meditation training program, you will learn how to go to these deeper levels, being conscious. Okay? So next you will learn the long relaxation, and in this exercise you will learn to stay in this alpha level for longer period without falling asleep. Then you will learn sleep control, that will help you to sleep like a baby again. Then alarm clock to wake up naturally without any use of external alarm clocks. Awake control, so that you can stay awake for any time you want to. Headache control to get rid of any primary headaches, especially migraine. Dream control to remember your dreams and get the guidance from the higher self through your dreams. Then you will learn mirror of the mind and 3 C's, the most amazing techniques to solve any problems. And mirror of the mind is my most favorite manifestation exercise that will give you 100% result, guarantee. Then you will learn glass of water technique to get rid of any confusions or doubts if you are having. Also to get solutions and suggestions from the higher self. Then 3-finger technique to just enter to alpha immediately whenever you want to, without going to a deeper level of meditation. And at the end of this life system, you will learn hand levitation and glove anesthesia, the first theta level exercise, which will help you to go deeper level more. In hand levitation and glove anesthesia, you will learn how to anesthetize your weaker hand or any of your hand so that you can heal any wound or any part of your body wherever you are having pain or a little bit of bleeding. Isn't it amazing? Then the most exciting journey or the most exciting part of the entire course will begin. The Silva Intuition System, which will blow your mind, I can assure you. In Silva Intuition System, we have so many amazing exercises. And the course will start with a brief idea of what is intuition and what is it ESP and what is third eye. Is it actually real? We all have it. Then how we can actually use it. You will understand everything in detail. Then you will understand how to project your mind on any object, anything, wherever you want to. Why? To get information. Why you need information? To solve any problems of your life, of anyone else's life, so that we can make this world a beautiful place to live in. Then you will understand what is the purpose of your life, why you are here in this beautiful planet Earth. Then you will understand our connection with the source energy. You will feel it, you will experience it, how beautifully we are part of this source energy and how we are connected with the source energy using this droplet of source energy exercise. Then you will experience a voyage, a journey from macroscopic level to microscopic level. You will go to galaxy using the power of your mind, and then you will go inside yourself by using the fantastic voyage exercise. Also, you will create your own laboratory inside your mind. You will create your helpers, your own team, your counselors. And you guys, with your counselor, can solve any problems that ever exist in the world and that have ever existed and that is going to exist in the near future. And then the most beautiful part, you will learn to project your mind inside a human body so that you can detect any abnormalities if the person is having, and you can send remote healing to the person. You will learn to do case working. I know by this time you are already ready and excited to join us with this beautiful journey, beautiful life-changing experience. So see you in the class. Let us know if you still have any doubts or confusions. We can clarify you. We are always here to help you guys. Stay connected better and better.